This is a systems of linear equations problem, a word problem. And the word problem is: a vendor at a football game sells hot dogs for $3.50 and hamburgers for $4. During one game, the vendor sold 400 items and collected $1,550. How many hot dogs and how many hamburgers were sold? Well, in this problem here, it's a systems of linear equations problem. We let x equal the number of hot dogs sold and y equal the number of hamburgers sold. So we set up the system of equations: 3.5x for $3.50 and times the number of hot dogs sold, plus 4y is equal to 1550. And then the second equation will be x plus y is equal to 400. So again, on this system here, we have 3.5 for $3.50 times the number of hot dogs sold, plus $4 times the number of hamburgers sold, is equal to the total amount which was collected of $1,550. So when we want to solve this system here, what we want to do is we want to eliminate x, and we do that by multiplying the entire equation by 3.5, negative 3.5. So that way we can eliminate the x. Once we distribute the 3.5 to everything in that second equation, our second equation looks like what we see here: negative 3.5x minus 3.5y is equal to negative 1400. And we solve, once we do our subtraction of the two, x is eliminated, and then we get 0.05 y is equal to 150. Solving this for y, dividing off the 0.5, 150 divided by 0.5 is 300. So y is equal to 300. Then we take that 300 and substitute it back into the second equation, or the first equation. It doesn't matter, but the second equation is easier to simplify. So that's what I'm going to substitute it into the second equation to get x plus 300 is equal to 400. And subtracting the 300 on both sides gives us that x is equal to 100. So what that tells us is that given that 400 items were sold, 100 hot dogs were sold,